Hello my dear student of class 7. Today I will take class 7 mathematics chapter 2 fractions and decimal. This is part 1 of exercise 2.6. Now we already learned about fractions and decimal. So exercise number 2.6. Here given number 1. Find the product of at first number 1 0.2 into 6. So 0.2 we write this 0.2 by 2 by 10 because here is one number after decimal. So we write this 2 by 10 into 6. Now 6 means 6 by 1. Now 2 into 6 12 by 10. So we write this 12 by 10. So we shift the decimal point by 1 places from right side because suppose there is a number 5. 5 means we should write 5.0. So 12 means we should write 12.0. So we divide 10, that means we shift this decimal point by one number from the right side. So this is 1.2. Now if we divide 12.0 by 100, then we shift these decimal places by 2 digits. So because here is 2 zeros, 100. So we shift decimal point from the right side by 2 digits. Then we get 0.12. Now next number 4. Here is given 20.1 into 4. 20.1 means suppose write 201 by here is one number after decimal. So we divide this by 10 into 4. 4 means 4 by 1. So 4 into 201 means 804 by 10. So suppose there is a decimal point because 804 this is equals to 804.0. So if we divide it by 10, then we shift this decimal point from right side by 1 places because there is 1 zeros. So we get 80.4. Now next number 5. It is given 0.05. So we get 005. 005 means only 5. Here is 2 number after decimal point. So you divide this by 100 into 7. 7 means 7 by 1. Now 5 into 7, 35 by 100. 35 by 100 means suppose there is a decimal point. So we shift this decimal point by there is 2 0. So by 2 places from this side. So we find 0.35. Now next number 6. 211.02. So first we write number 211 and 2. So here is 2 number after decimal point. So we divide this number by 100 into 4 by 1. 80448 by 100. So suppose here is decimal point. So here is 2 zeros. So we shift this decimal point by 2 number. So we get 844.08. This is number 6. Now next we try number 2. And This is page number 52. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 semi and breadth is 3 semi. Now, suppose this is a rectangle. Length means this portion. This is 5.7 semi. And breadth is this is breadth. This is 3 semi. Now, find the area. Area means this portion. So, what is the area of rectangle? Area is length into breadth. Now, first we write this is length. And next breadth. Semi. So, area of the rectangle is area means length into breadth. Length is 5.7 semi into breadth 3 semi. So we get 171 and here is 1 number after decimal. So we write this decimal and semi into semi means semi square. So this is the area of the rectangle. 17.1 semi. This is number 2. Now next number 3. First number 1. Find the product of this 1.3 into 0. Now, if we multiply this number by 10, then we shift the decimal point from this by 1 places from this side. So, this is equals to 13. Because if we multiply this 1.3 into 10, then we get 1.3, 10 means 10. So, and we shift this number, this. So, we get 3.0, that means 13. So, if we multiply 1.3 by 10, then we get 13. Next, number 2. 36.8 into 10. This is the similar way of this. So, we get 368. So, we see that if we multiply a number, decimal number by 10, then we shift this decimal point by 1 places and shift this in the right side. So, we get 368. Next, number 4. 168.07 into 10. Here we multiply this by 10. So, we shift this decimal point in 1 places in the right side. So, we get 168.0.7 because we shift this decimal point by 1 places in the right side, not this side. Next is number 5, 31.1 into 100. Here this is multiplied by 100. So we shift this decimal point in places in the right side. So you get 3, 1, 1, and this is 1 places. So we shift this again 1 places. So we write 0 in this side. That means 3, 1, 1, 0. Next, number 7. 3.62 into 100. This is similar as number 5. So this is multiplied by 100. So we shift this decimal point in these 2 places in the right side. So you get 362. Next, number 9 is given 0.5 into 10. This is equals to, here is 0 and here is decimal and is 1 0. So we shift this decimal in 1 places in the right side. So we get 5. Number 10, 0.08 into 10. This is similar. So we shift this decimal point in 1 places in the right side. Then we get 0.8. And finally number 12, 0.03 into 1000. Here is 3 zeros. So we should shift this decimal point by 3 places in the right side. Now in the right side here is 2 numbers 0, 3. So for shift this decimal point, we should write here is another 0 and shift this. So we shift this decimal point from this in this point. I get 030.0. That means 30.0. That means this is equal to 30. So in this similar way, you should try from number 1 and 3 the remaining maths from number 1 and 3. So next day we should cover this exercise 2.6. Thank you.